Welcome my beautiful viewers and subscriber. This is your girl Sonia from Sonia Creative Kitchen, and for today I am going to prepare some ground provision with some brown stew chicken back and some cabbage. So follow me panda one here. So over here guys, as you can see, I have my chicken back nicely cleaned up. I have my cabbage, I have my sweet potato, my banana and yellow yam. This yam look good. Hope it tastes good too. And over here I have all of my natural seasoning. I have some scallion, I have thyme, garlic, ginger, some tomato, onion, carrot, two different type of sweet pepper or bell peppers you can call it. And in right here I have some cut up scotch bonnet pepper, minced up garlic and some minced up ginger. I have my vegetable oil, browning, Maggi all-purpose. I have some black pepper, my favorite, pimento, all spice, and right here I have some Maggi chicken seasoning and some special jerk seasoning, and I have some green seasoning right here. So guys, now I'm going to go ahead and get started and seasoning up my chicken back. Guys, remember me tell you, me love me chicken, but nothing compared to me chicken back. Trust me. As a kid growing up, coming from school when my mom prepared this, I'm telling you, it was one of my favorite. I was so happy when I come home and say, Mommy, where you cook? And when I lift up the pot, see my chicken back, ooh, so happy. So now guys, I'm going to add my Maggi all-purpose, pinch of black pepper because I have my pimento, Maggi chicken seasoning, and I'm going to add my special jerk seasoning. And I'm going to add all of my, I have scotch bonnet pepper in here, as I said before, some chopped up garlic and ginger. I'm going to put all of this here. And I'm going to go ahead and add all of my blend seasoning, green seasoning right here. I'm going to give it a nice, get this all in. Ooh, this smells so good. All of my cousin can relate to this. All of my cousin. Sandra Isaac, Patsy Daly, Winsome McLeish, Dion McLeish, Byron McLeish, aka Father Paul. You don't know yourself. Big up. Guys, I'm going to add some onion. Little bit of the sweet pepper. I'll add the rest later. So most Jamaicans can relate to this. Have this growing up, chicken back. Ghetto steak as they call it too. I have a neighbor who used to call this mergy. Rest in peace, Kenneth. Rest in peace. So now guys, I'm going to add my browning. Not too much. Oh, look at this chicken back. Look at this. H.E. Austin, you know yourself, growing up have this also. Big up to you. Toki Austin, Amanda Austin, Natalie. Big up to Miss Monica. Used to make this also. Curry. And guys, how could I forget my favorite? My favorite. Some pimento crush, and I'm gonna put some oil. So guys, I am going to set this aside and get started on my ground provision. This is one meal me can't wait for have, trust me. Okay. So check in guys, see my pot started to boil in, so now I am going to go ahead and get started on my yellow yam. Big up to my mother, Doreen Garden, enough respect, love you always. And to Lenford Fisher, my second father, big up yourself, father. Paul Thompson, big up yourself, my father. My pot is bubbling nicely. I turn my stove down a little bit. Now, I am going to move on to my sweet potato, or potato, as Jamaican would say. You don't know the thing go already. So now guys, my green banana. So I have some lemon in this water. I'm going to add my green banana to my pot. And now guys, I am going to cover and get started on my chicken back, my brown stew chicken back. Check in guys, so now I have my pot on the stove. So now I am going to go ahead and add my vegetable oil. I'm going to add some garlic to flavor the oil and ginger. This smells so good guys. So now I am going to remove my garlic. And now I am going to go ahead and add my chicken back to my pot. Oh. Guys, look how beautiful this look. That one, yeah, shot. I'm just gonna put a little time for it to cook down in there as well. Anywhere. Check in guys, check in on my brown stew chicken back. Look at this. This smell amazing. Not like the good old chicken back, you know. Smells so good. So guys, I am going to cover, leave it to finish cook, and check in on my green banana, sweet potato and yellow yam. Almost done. So guys, don't go anywhere. Check in guys. Look at my brown stew chicken back with all these flavors. So now I'm going to go ahead add in my tomato. Add in my onion and rest of my sweet pepper. and my scallion carrot. Oh wow, look at this, guys. Look at this. This could just eat just like this. So now I'm going to go ahead, not too much water. I had a little bit more water. And guys, give it a nice stir. Look at this. Smells so good. I'm gonna add a little bit more of all-purpose Maggi seasoning and some special jerk seasoning, just a little bit, and some Maggi chicken seasoning. Pinch of black pepper. Give it a nice stir. Guys, I'm not gonna put too much water in here because the cabbage is gonna sweat its own water. So just enough. So now I am going to get my cabbage. And guys, just gonna add a little bit of browning. This is optional. I just like to do this. You don't have to. You season a little bit of Maggi all-purpose season on here. You don't want to lose the flavor by adding this without seasoning it, for me. So just a little bit. Smells so good. Brown stew chicken back smells so good, guys. Just gonna add a little bit more browning. Don't want too much. Don't want it to get too dark. So now I'm going to go ahead, add it gradually. I am not going to add any more water into this, guys. I am going to leave it as it is. My mom never used to add browning to the cabbage, just black pepper and a little bit of powder seasoning when she's doing it. But for me, this is what I do. So I'm gonna give it one more stir. Thus the cabbage can soak up all the goodness. So guys, I am going to cover this, leave it to finish cook. And the next time you see me, I will be sharing my dinner. So don't go anywhere.
One eternity later.
Welcome back, guys. So now dinner is served. My brown stew chicken back with cabbage is finished. And my green banana and my yellow yam and sweet potato. So guys, come take a look at my dinner. Look how beautiful this look, guys. Look, you can see, I cannot wait to dig in. So now I am going to give you my honest opinion as always. So, I am going to taste my dinner. Boy, may I tell you, I am telling you, good food are good food. Jamaican good food.
Into the mouth. Nice.
Well seasoned, guy. Well seasoned. This chicken back with the cabbage is shot. Look, guys, and the chicken back. Going for my sweet potato now. Real Jamaican food. Sweet potato, it's so good. More me margie. Green banana. This, guys, 10 out of 10. Trust me. Me not lie pan that one ya. That one ya shot. Soak up all the gravy with the banana. Guys, we have made it to the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have been so supportive. Thank you so much for 300 subscribers. We're going for 500 and we're going for 1,000. Thank you so very much. May the good Lord bless you all. Big up to my comment section. Big up to all of the people them who did it with me from day one. Always a comment, like the video them, share the video them. Enough respect to you all of you. Big up on yourself. Anyway on the day in this world. Thank you guys so very much. Just keep on supporting Sonia's Creative Kitchen for more new videos. Stay tuned, guys. And please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember, if you tell a friend, if you tell a friend. And remember, we say Jamaica. See you on the next video. Love you all. 300 subscribers. Yay! We're going on to 500. Bye.